Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, out at Yate today. 3 items I bought myself. We'll start off with this chap. Now, I haven't got a hope of pronouncing it correctly, so I've written it down. I'm not even going to try. A fortune cat, or a lucky cat. Should be bringing me good luck. I think it needs new batteries. The arm is moving, but I think that's because I've just knocked it. It cost me 95p in Blue Cross. Try and get that label off. It's not solar powered, it is battery powered. Oh, phone's ringing. No, that's alright, my wife's answered that. Looking at the lack of colour on its back, I think it's been sat in a window for a long time. We could take it apart, couldn't we? Let's just put a battery in it first. What do you reckon, AA or AAA? AA. Okay, I'll go and find a AA battery. Right. I'm guessing the inside will be similar to one of those solar rockers. But instead of being solar powered, it's just battery powered. So that works. We'll put that to one side. We might have a look inside it later. Next, £1.25, also in Blue Cross. Produced for Zedra. Denmark, made in China, for Tesco stores, yeah. Okay. Well, I think I'll be making another doorbell with this, because I had a request to make one a while back. Yeah, that's why I bought that. The base is plastic, the dome is metal, and you've got a little metal clapper in there that you push down with that. So that's fine. And then finally, another train set. Only £1, that one. That was in British Heart Foundation. Well, I picked it up and looked at it, and I thought, that's quite a good set there. So we'll put that together and see if it works. One battery, a 3-car train, complete with passenger carriage, coal wagon and dairy cart, and 7 pieces of track. Stuck it down with sticky tape. I hate it when I do that. There's the track and the train. Oh, it is working. Oh, don't even need to put a battery in it. see the motor is standing vertically, got a worm gear on the end of it, driving an ordinary gear attached to the axle. We'll put that together. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.